Hey everyone! Today I want to break down something that confuses a lot of React beginners, JSX. What exactly is JSX in React.js, and how does it work behind the scenes? Let's dive in, step by step. First off, what is JSX? JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It looks a lot like HTML, right? But here's the thing. It's not actually HTML. It's a syntax extension for JavaScript, which means you can write code that looks like HTML. But it's really just JavaScript under the hood. This makes building user interfaces with React much more intuitive. So, why use JSX at all? Imagine writing complex UI code with just plain JavaScript, lots of messy createElement calls and nested objects. JSX makes everything way more readable and closer to how you'd structure your page in HTML. But browsers don't understand JSX directly. They understand JavaScript. That's where the magic happens. Here's what really goes on behind the scenes. Whenever you write JSX like a simple React doesn't send that HTML to the browser. Instead, during the build process, tools like Babel transpile your JSX into regular JavaScript. That same line becomes something like, so, JSX is just a friendlier way to describe UI components. React handles the translation. Let me break it down even further. Every JSX tag you write turns into a call to. This function takes 3 arguments: the type of element, any properties or attributes, and the children, the content inside the tag. So when you start nesting elements, like putting A inside A, React builds up a whole tree of JavaScript objects that describe what you want the UI to look like. This tree is called the virtual DOM. Instead of updating the real DOM right away, React uses this virtual DOM to figure out the smallest number of changes needed. When your data changes, React re-renders the virtual DOM, compares it to the previous version, and only updates what's actually different on the page. That's why React apps are so fast and efficient. To sum up, JSX is like a shortcut for writing UI code in React, but it all gets converted to JavaScript before it runs. The real power comes from how React manages updates using the virtual DOM, making your app smooth and responsive. So next time you type JSX, remember it's not really HTML. It's just a smarter way to write JavaScript UI code that React turns into magic. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more developer-friendly breakdowns.